Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's video is called Christmas Shopping Together. In this video, you will listen to a slow and easy English story about two friends, Sam and Ellie. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen with this question in mind. Why does Santa Claus wear a red suit? The answer is hidden in the conversation between Sam and Ellie. You don't need a perfect answer. If you notice something, please write it in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Hey, Ellie. Sorry I'm a little late. There were so many people on the street today.
That's okay. I just got here too. I really needed this break today.
Yeah, me too. I hope we can find some good Christmas gifts today.
I think we will. It really feels like Christmas is coming soon.
The lights, the music, and all the decorations make the city look very different. Everything is so bright and colorful.
I like this time of year. It's cold, but the atmosphere feels warm somehow. There's something magical about it.
I know what you mean. The streets are crowded, but everyone seems to be in a good mood.
Exactly. People are smiling more. Even strangers say hello sometimes.
So what's the plan for today?
I thought we could walk around, do some shopping, and just enjoy the Christmas mood. Nothing too serious.
That sounds good. I still need to buy a few things, so this is perfect. I've been putting it off.
Same here. I always wait until the last minute, but today we have plenty of time.
Let's take it slow and not rush. I want to actually enjoy the shopping this time.
Agreed. Sometimes the best part is just walking around and seeing everything.
Yeah, let's start walking and see what we find.
By the way, Sam, do you know where the story of Santa Claus comes from?
I know the basic image, the red suit, white beard, reindeer, but I don't know the original story very well.
Santa was actually based on a real person a long time ago.
Really? I didn't know that. I always thought he was just a made-up character.
His name was Saint Nicholas. He lived many centuries ago in a place that is now part of Turkey. He was known for being very kind.
What kind of things did he do?
He helped poor people, especially children. He gave money and gifts quietly, without asking for thanks.
That sounds very different from the Santa we imagine today.
Yes, but the spirit is the same. Kindness and generosity started with him.
And now Santa is everywhere in the shops we're walking past.
That's true. Over time, his story mixed with different cultures and traditions. In Northern Europe, there were old winter stories about magical figures who brought gifts. Those ideas slowly blended with the image of Saint Nicholas.
So the image changed little by little?
Exactly. Later, artists and writers imagined Santa in a warmer and more cheerful way.
So even if he looks different now, the meaning stayed the same.
Right. The appearance changed, but the heart of Santa stayed the same.
This store looks interesting. The window display caught my eye.
What are you looking for today? Do you have someone in mind?
I want something simple and useful, not too expensive, something thoughtful.
Simple gifts are often the best.
What do you think about this scarf?
The color is nice and it looks warm. It feels like a safe choice.
I think it's nice, but I'm not 100% sure.
You don't need a perfect gift, just a kind one.
I always worry too much when I shop.
That just means you care. I think anyone would be happy to receive this.
Okay, I'll get it. You've convinced me.
Good choice. Trust your first instinct. Now it's my turn. This shop feels very cozy.
Take your time.
I like things that make winter feel more comfortable.
Is that a blanket?
It's a throw blanket. The color is calm and relaxing.
It looks like something you'd use a lot.
That's important to me. I don't like buying things I won't use.
You look happy. I think you found what you wanted.
I did. This is perfect for cold winter evenings.
It's interesting how Christmas is celebrated differently around the world.
Yeah, in some countries, Christmas has a strong religious meaning. For example, in places like Italy, Spain, or the Philippines, many people go to church and spend time with family.
I didn't grow up going to church, but I still love the season.
For me, it's more about quiet time and being comfortable.
And in other countries, it's more about fun and atmosphere.
Right. In places like Japan or the United States, people enjoy lights, shopping, and special events.
Of course, everyone celebrates in their own way.
Exactly, but the feeling is often similar.
Warm, bright, and a little special.
I like how it brings people together. It smells really good here.
I think they're selling hot drinks.
Let's get something warm.
Good idea. My hands are freezing.
This kind of drink feels perfect in winter.
It helps me relax.
I like moments like this, simple and calm.
We should slow down like this more often.
Look at those lights. They're beautiful.
It feels like a movie scene.
Everyone is taking pictures.
I understand why. It feels magical.
This is my favorite part of winter.
Should we take a picture too?
Yes, let's remember this moment.
Today was really nice.
Yeah, we didn't rush at all.
That made everything better.
Shopping doesn't have to be stressful.
Let's do this again sometime.
Definitely. I'd like that.
Christmas moments like this don't happen every day.
Let's enjoy more small moments like this.
Okay, let's head home.
Thanks for today, Sam.
Thank you too, Ellie.
See you soon. Stay warm.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this calm Christmas story and felt relaxed while listening to English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why does Santa Claus wear a red suit? the answer was mentioned in the conversation. If you noticed something interesting, please write it in the comments section. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help you learn English in a relaxed way. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Stay warm and have a wonderful day.